Hey YouTube, it's your girl Adrina. Today I'm going to be showing you guys some pieces from Shapellx, so if you want to see, stick around and check it out. So today I'm back with another Shapellx video. Today I'm going to be doing a Shapellx try on haul. You guys know they have the best shapewear on the internet right now. They have sizes like small all the way up to plus size. I stand by this company. I love their material. I love the quality. I love the company communication. Shipping is fast. And throughout this video, you guys know when I do my Shapellx videos, I have a discount code. I'll put it down below in the description box, but the code is TAT97. That's TAT97. So if you want to save some coins, make sure you use that discount code. So let's get into the items. So the first item, I'm going to look at my phone to make sure I get all of the info right for you guys. The name of the first item is the Neo Sweat Abdominal Binder Latex Tummy Wrap. I received these items a few days ago, and this is the only thing I took out to try on because I was so excited. I wanted to make sure it fit. I'm like, damn, I should have ordered a size up, but this one is perfect. It comes in a size small all the way up to a size 3X on their website, but if they don't have your size, make sure you keep checking because they're always getting more sizes. The fabric is 35% latex, 65% polyester is the item. Like I said, this is one of the only ones that I did try on. It basically looks like a waist trainer, but there is three different, let me see if I can get a good angle to show you guys. There's three different pieces instead of it being one, and you loop it and it has instead of me explaining it, let me try it on for you guys. Now the second item is one I'm definitely excited to wear, to try on. I haven't tried this item on yet. Like I said, look at my phone to make sure I get the name right for you guys. It is the Air Slim Long Sleeve Shaping Bodysuit. It's basically a bodysuit, a regular black bodysuit long sleeve, but it definitely snatches you in all the right places. They have it in white as well, and they have it from size extra small all the way up to 4X. I was definitely excited about this item when I saw it on their website. I knew I had to have it, so I'm excited about this. You can wear this as a bodysuit, like an actual bodysuit, like as a shirt, and just throw your jeans on. And if you want to wear it for like roll control or shapewear, then you can. But here is what it looks like. As you can see, it has buttons in the crotch. Here's the long sleeves. Still has the tag on it. As you can see, she is wearing hers with her jeans. Oh, and I forgot to tell you guys the sizes. I'll put the size to everything down below. This bodysuit is a XL/XXL. So let me try this on because I'm definitely excited about this bodysuit. If you guys like that last piece or the last two pieces or the next few pieces, make sure you use discount code TAT97. That's TAT97. Now the third piece is the Coroscope Tummy Control Full Bodysuit with side zipper. They have it from size small all the way up to 3X, and I have mine's in a size XXL. This is what it looks like. It has the lace on the bottom. It has the side zippers. It kind of looks like one that I have from them before, but it's not. You actually wear your boobs on top of it, so your bra would be out right here. It won't be on the inside, so it's not smushing you down. And this one also has the thicker straps, and it has the adjustable bra strap, as well as it has the ruching and the butt. No butt pads, just the ruching. So let me try on this piece for you guys. To the fourth piece, it is the Coroscope Tummy Control Body Shaper, and they have it in a size small all the way up to a 6X. So this is an array of sizes for a lot of my sisters, so that's what I'm saying. No matter what size you are, Shapellx is definitely gonna have you covered with a high quality shapewear. I have it in the color black. They have it in black and beige. And I'm just now opening this. It has the removable straps. As you can see, it has all the adjustable clips. It has the lace bottom like the last piece I showed you. But what I noticed when I took it out is it has like this mesh or jersey material. You can't see it. You can't see it on video, but it's kind of like a jersey material back here with tiny holes, like maybe it's an air vent. I don't know if I move it around like that, if you guys can see it. And it also has the ruching in the butt. It doesn't have, oh yeah, and it has the open crotch, so if you have to go pee, easy access. And I have it in the size 2X, so let's go ahead and try on this piece. Okay, and last but not least, because I think this is going to be my favorite piece, it looks really tiny, but let's hope it's going to stretch and go on. This is kind of a little thicker than like stockings. It has resistance to it. It seems like it's going to be comfortable. It has the boobs in there, not the boobs because it's just, you know, a thin material. It has a section for your boobs. It has the ruching in between. But let me get into the name before I forget to tell you guys. It is the Air Slim Full Body Tummy Control Shapewear. I have mine in a size XL/XXL, and this just seems like it's gonna be so comfortable. Here's what the butt looks like. For now, this looks like it can only fit on a baby doll, but I've saw tons of videos where they look like this and then they just magically go on and melt on your body. So hopefully that's the case. I have this in a color, let me see, my phone keeps locking up on me. They have it in black, brown, beige. Ooh, and they have light purple. I didn't know they had light purple. That's cute. I have it in the color brown. So I thought this would kind of like be a nude once I put it on. And depending on, you know, what outfit I wear with, if I wear something see-through, this would probably give like light support. Like I said, this is something that's probably really comfortable. They have it in a size XS, extra small, all the way up to a 5X. So like I said, ladies, they have you guys covered. But let me stop rambling on and try on this piece for you guys. So that was my Shapellx, Shapellx, whatever you want to call the company, tomato. That was my Shapellx try on haul. I brought you guys 5 new pieces. I keep trying to hit you guys with the back-to-back shapewear videos so you guys can get the best shapewear out there. And like I said, make sure you guys use my discount code TAT97. I hope you guys enjoyed this shapewear try on haul. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comments. I'm sorry I didn't try these pieces on with outfits, but I don't have the outfits yet that I want to wear them with. So I just wanted to do a try on haul, show you guys what the pieces look like so you guys can, you know, get a little picture for yourself instead of just looking at the picture on the website. And following me on Instagram, TatedDree619. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Don't forget to use my discount code down below, and until next time.